Morning, day number 3. Day number 3. Let's go. Breakfast. This video is sponsored by the River Kwai Hotel in Kanchanaburi. The River Kwai Hotel is a cozy and welcoming hotel in the center of Kanchanaburi, not far from the famous River Kwai Bridge. If you are traveling to Kanchanaburi and you want to stay overnight, you should consider staying in the River Kwai Hotel. More information about the hotel you find in the review I made about it here also on the channel. Please go and check it out. And if you tell the staff PeeWee Bangkok sent you, you will get special room rates and a discount in the spa and in the restaurant. You can see the room rates here. Thank you River Kwai Hotel for sponsoring this video, and now please enjoy watching this video. Breakfast. We are now at Sayok Noi at the train and the Sayok Noi waterfall where we will go in a moment. So this is the old train from the old times which was going here, and there we have the new train. Okay, let's go now to the waterfall. Small one where the kids play, and the real waterfall is over there. Nam Tok, Sayok Noi, Nam Tok. สวยมากTamkase. We'll go on the bridge in a moment. Oh, Suaimaka.
Careful.
Yeah. Wow. So nice. I was many times in Kanchanaburi already, but I never came here. Several times I wanted to go, but we had never had the time. And wow. Now I really regret that I never came here. I should have come here much earlier. It's my 6th time already in Kanchanaburi. Ooh, so high. Train is coming, รถไฟ
บอกว่าอันนี้มันไม่ชนเลยไม่ต้องแล้วมันไม่เยอะเดี๋ยวแล้วแม่บอกให้หลบหนูมันมามันยังกับคนเดินอ้าวจอดอยู่
ใหญ่มาก You can see the death railway. A lot of prisoners died to build this railway.
they used the prisoner in the war to build this railway, and they lived under very bad condition. And in the movie River Kwai you can see it a bit, but the movie is fictional, so it's not a true story, but you can at least see how the prisoners in war got treated by the Japanese soldier, and it gives you a very good impression what happened in this area in Kanchanaburi, and yeah, it's very sad.
Okay, finish in Kanchanaburi. Kabana. See you in Bangkok. Bye bye. Okay, thank you again. Bye bye. Say bye bye. Okay, gaban na. Let's go. Suki. Suki. So, thank you so much for watching this trip in Kanchanaburi and being on the travel with me. It was really fun. 3 days. It was so nice. I saw very nice places, very nice hotels. It's a River Kwai hotel. Thank you also there for the staff, for the very good time. I enjoy going there. I will go there again for sure. So thank you to go on this trip with me together, and I hope you enjoy watching it. Have a good time, and I see you in the next video, I hope. So please like this video if you enjoyed watching it, and subscribe, and for the me cooking with the chef and also the cleaning the room, these are separate videos, so I will link it in the description down below. I will sleep now. I'm so tired. Thanks for watching. Love you all, and see you again soon. Bye bye. Yummy food.